Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is my third kitchen installment of me cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
You got me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone from my mind.
So I have two other kitchen cleaning videos that I will leave in the description box below. Be sure to check those out as well. I needed to take off this sticky residue that was on the drawer here. This goof off, I had just purchased it from Myers. I have left after I have decluttered most of the things that I'm not going to use any longer for the refrigerator. And so I also have these groceries here that I have to place in the refrigerator as well. And oh yeah, I had to stop by Tropical Cafe because I love my Bahama Mama.
Maybe it's love then. I think about you all the time.
I have been really enjoying this decluttering going on around my home. I believe that this is something that I will continue to do throughout the year.
Must be feeling something. Maybe it's not real love is spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it here?
And now everything is clean, decluttered, and organized, just the way I like it.
It's not real love is spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? Do you hear the blackbird?
Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to leave me a like, subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.